Stop by and take a look at the 2017
Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads
and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, rear window defroster, security system. Come take a test drive today.